We got the tree wall warning and the unmarked rocks and obstacles warning. We're doing good. What's left? Having trouble just staying still there.
It's so windy.
What was that? Yeah, it's funky. It's good. It's good, but yeah.
It's super deep and then
Exposed. Alright, welcome to Storm Week here in Whistler. We just had about over a foot of snow last night, and then around midnight it just started raining down in the village. So we weren't sure exactly what was going to be happening up here because we got a bunch of winds going on. The trees have looked, I don't know what's going on with them, if they got covered in snow or not. And all the lifts keep on stopping and starting. It's hectic out here, boys and girls. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful. Through the trees. Just keep an eye out for our exit. Oh yeah, it's this one here. I can go right here. All right, what do you think?
it looks like there's a big, it looks like someone already got stuck there.
What about on the further right, through that gap?
Maybe, but like.
Sounds like you should come here. Yeah, it's not too far. The light snow, I'm sure, helps.
Yeah.
Whoa! Go! Go up! Busy Saturday out here in Whistler. We're gonna have, there's so many people out here. It's nuts. So we're taking a little break. We're actually waiting for Andreas and Co. We missed them and they're about 30 minutes away. So we're gonna have some tea. We're gonna have tea time.
Huh?
Tea time?
Tea time? No, but that's a good idea. You guys are doing it right. The lineups are too long anyway.
The lineups are too long. Yeah, that's what started this.
Have a good one, eh?
You sir.
Yeah, we met up with some people. And we just started accumulating more people.
You know I told you to call it your Wiener Schnitzel. I'm riding the Apex Orca.
Nice. And what you riding?
Yep. Just the 2019 Orca.
Nice.
The Mind Expander.
You got the Jorka.
Orca.
All right. Into the spirit, show us the way.
Ho, 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 ho.
Find the goods, Andreas. I know you know where they're at.
Surprised at how tracked it is. It's not usually this tracked out in here, bro.
How's the spirit today?
Woo, it's a little bit hairy in here, bud. Yeah.
Whoa! Andreas ended up down there last time. You fell in that hole that you fell in.
It's a gutter.
You fell in the Andreas hole.
It's now the Andreas hole.
We're giving you a hole,
There you go.
and that's your hole.
It's good luck. He would later die in that hole.
Just come stand in line for another 45 minutes.
Ooh, I can't, buddy. I gotta go to work and sell snowboards to the people.
Oh,
I'm like a martyr.
essential worker.
Whoa. Chief, whoa.
Did you hear that jump? All right, we just stopped on Jersey Cream. We've been having crazy winds up here all day. We got stopped on the last chair, a lot of snow, bad visibility. It's sending a lot of people home early, which is good because it was so busy to start with, but it's also just challenging in general. And we're not moving. Chilly. Do you want to hit this little nugget here?
Oh, yeah.
Nougat!
Okay.
Ready?
God damn it, dude. God.
Curse of the camera.
It's like, come on, man.
All right, so it's getting just past 2, kind of getting towards the end of the day. The conditions haven't really relented at all. Well, none of the Alpine is open. So 7th, Glacier, Crystal, and Black Hub here isn't open. So it's kind of funneling everyone in the same area, so everything's busy and getting tracked out. So it's challenging conditions. Careful! It's all death cookies! Oh, concrete.
Good day.
Found the awesome. Thanks for coming out. And well, I guess I came out to you. I was the late one.
Yeah. No, that was sick. It turned out to be a good day.
Yeah, it's definitely interesting with the conditions. Hopefully, when they actually open up some of the alpine, there's gonna be so much snow in there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be absolutely crazy. Cool. Well, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out these sexy dudes over on Instagram. Is that weird to say that?
Yeah.
Does that work?
Slightly weird, but
Okay. Make sure you go check out these guys over on Instagram. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.